Hey guys, I've been throwing back and forth what I wanted to do for this for a while now. I've sat down, I've recorded, I've written, and nothing really planned out because that's just not me. So, here we go. Today I turned 29. The past few years have been difficult for a lot of people. But for me, somehow, they have been easily the best years of my life. I found an amazing woman who supports me in everything I do, no matter how crazy it makes her. I've met the most amazing people. I've done the most amazing things I never dreamed of doing. I gained a relationship with my sister. I watched my best friend become a dad. And these opportunities simply came from doing the things that I wanted to do. And I truly believe that is the only thing that matters. Finding things that you truly love and doing them. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to open that door and walk through. And what I'll do next, I really have no idea. But for now, I absolutely love what I'm doing. I love where I am. And I love the people around me. So I think I'll hang out a bit.
Oh, don't fucking die. Oh.
If you're still here, thank you for listening to my rant. I don't know if I'll post this, but if I do, I hope you like it. Till next time.
I don't know. We're in that seatbelt for dear life over here.